Hey guys, so you're interested in Iceland's lighthouses? Well, you're in for a treat. There are 105 lighthouses in Iceland. Each one is unique, and each one has a story to tell. Reykjanesviti is Iceland's oldest lighthouse, standing at the edge of an old lava field. The original structure was built in 1878, but it collapsed in an earthquake 8 years later, only to be built again, stronger and taller than before. Garðskagaviti is one of Iceland's oldest lighthouses, built in 1897 and stands by the shore, 11.4 meters tall. Standing firm and low, its beams are undisturbed by the mist of shore. It has not been in use since 1944, when it was replaced with a new and taller lighthouse. It has now been listed as a cultural heritage of Iceland. The iconic DYRHOLAEY lighthouse, built in 1927, shines the brightest in Iceland. This is the southernmost lighthouse in Iceland, with breathtaking views in every direction. This lighthouse was briefly turned into a bespoke hotel in 2015. These are just a handful of Iceland's impressive lighthouses. There are dozens more to explore. But that's all for today. We hope you enjoyed exploring Iceland with us. For more information and videos, please subscribe to our channel or check out our website.